Welcome to our first video in this 5 for 5 series. We're doing a breakfast today. This comes from a Weight Watchers recipe that I've done for many years. Love this. It's fresh. It's great during the summertime. It's a cold breakfast. You actually do it the night before. We're doing a chocolate peanut butter banana overnight oats. So let's get this going. We've got our glass tumbler and we've got our banana. Took a banana, cut it in half, and we're going to take the first half of this and put it down in the bottom of our tumbler. We're going to muddle this down in the bottom a little bit. This was a pretty ripe banana, so it's nice and soft. Great. We've got 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats. Two tablespoons of peanut butter powder. There we go. 2 tablespoons. This is 1/2 cup of chocolate almond milk. Beautiful. Let's get this stirred up and mixed up. We're going to add just a pinch of kosher salt, not much, just a pinch. And then we're going to top it off with the other half of our chopped up banana. We're going to put that on top. We've got everything mixed up. Now we're going to get this closed off with a little press and seal. And we're going to go ahead and get this put in the fridge. And this will set up overnight. And then we'll get in the morning. It's going to be fantastic. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Breakfast is ready. Okay, let's take a look at our overnight oats. As you can see, this really thickens up. Definitely plenty for one serving for breakfast. All right, let's give this a taste. It's really good. It's nice and cold and refreshing. All those oats soak up that chocolate milk. You get that peanut butter, the banana. And coming in under 300 calories, great way to start the day. All those oats are gonna digest slowly and keep you full and well fueled for your morning. Less likely to snack, so we're off to a good start. I hope you'll try this. I love it. Thanks for joining us. I'll see you next time.